Hello, good afternoon. I'm Clemently. Welcome to my channel for experience sharing. Today, 2022, August 23rd, Tuesday. Have a nice day. Let's begin. Now, with me is a simple program of checking the weight in pounds, of course, the weight in pounds. And then suppose that you have not a, now, in the normal case, with the answer correctly, 150, then you are not overweight. That should be okay, but sometimes some users may have fat finger and have had something like this, and it's not a number. That's fine. Suppose I enter 50.5, also not a number. That is not so nice, right? Because it's numeric, cannot check it. So that's a problem. And my secret weapon come in, and here we can change it to like this. Then you change it to replace the dot, and for some number system they may have a comma. I replace it with space as well, and then check if it's numeric. Then it should work. Now let's try. Suppose at the end of the pound at 150.5, you are happy because now they changed to 150. Okay. Suppose that I do it again. At pound 130.6, you are not overweight. This means that it worked, right? So remember, numeric itself doesn't check the float number. So my little program is just to solve the problem of is numeric, not covering float, and now cover because I've replaced it with empty space and then replace comma with empty space, and it's numeric. And it's also the beauty of Python that you can chain up everything in a single line, and it's very beautiful. Okay, that's it for today, and wish you enjoy this